Okay. Start doing it, students. Complete. Cherisha, were you there morning? Morning class? Oh. Construct, draw a graph, students. Take a graph. So they've given 1 centimeter. You allow 2 centimeter graph. So multiply both the side 2. Take 2 centimeter is equals to 2 units. Yeah, good evening, students. Good evening. Solve the 23rd question. What is given? Naomi and Tanishka. What is the scale given? Scale. Okay. Do we have 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter graph? Can you see I've shown the calculation? If 1 centimeter is 1 unit, how much you have to convert into? 2 centimeters should be 2 units. So you have to take it as -2, -4, -6, right? Yes, complete it. Try this 23rd. Mariana later goes to the remaining class, Mariana, half an hour or 40 minutes, whatever is left. I think another 40 minutes is left. Complete that. It's a simple question, students. How long do you need? Okay. Even reflection, it's a very simple concept. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Okay. In some question, they might ask you area, perimeter. I'll teach you all. If the questions are very tough, only 1 mark. You'll just lose 1 mark if you're not able to find area. That's it. Remaining things you can solve. If it is a 5 marks question, you can definitely score 4 marks. Even if you forget the formulas. If you remember the formulas and solve the area or perimeter, you'll get full 5 marks. Be quick. All of you will complete it. Shall we plot? Shall I plot? Okay. Okay. A is minus 4 by 0. B is equals to minus 3 by 2. Let me plot it. So A is equals to minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 lies on x axis, 4 comma 0. I will plot it here. 4 comma 0. Check A, students. Minus 4 comma 0. Next, B is equals to minus 3 comma 2. See, whenever you'll have minus 3 comma 0, if any one value is 0, it lies on the axis. On which axis does it lie? X axis or y axis? Which axis value is given here? Which axis? It lies in x axis, negative x axis. Sorry, this is not the answer. Minus 3 comma 0. Why have I written minus here? Everything is positive. Okay. Where does minus 3 comma 0 lie, students? On x axis, left hand side or right hand side? Minus 3. Left hand side. Even here I've taken some other values. Don't know why I've written those values. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, here -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. Now the values are correct. I had taken wrong values. Where does -3 lie, students? In between -4 and -2. Yes, this is the point. The purple one. Okay, next. B we have -3, -2. Where does -3, -2 lie, students? Which quadrant? -3, -2. What quadrant? Almost close. -3, -2. Next, 0, 4. 0, 4 in which axis? X axis or Y axis? 0, 4. X axis, right? Look here. A. -3, 0. Next, B. -4, -3, 2. Next, we have 0, 4. C 0, 4. Tell me the next one. What is given? What is D, students? 4, 1. 4, 1 in which one? X axis. 4. No, no, no. 4, 1 is in first quadrant, not axis. Did you plot the point here? D 4, 1? 4, 1, students. 4, 1. Next, is, yeah, A is -4, 0. Correct. -4, 0. -4, 0. A is done, B is done, C is done, D. After that, E, student, 7, 3. Where do you plot 7, 3? 6 and 8. 7 and 3. Is it correct? D and E? Z, this is D. Okay. For this, you'll get 1 mark. Tell me the second question. What is reflect the point? What are the points you have to reflect, students? I'll use red one. Yes, A, B, C, D, E. Then E dash, D dash, and no, no, sorry. Second one. Reflect B, C, D, E on which axis, student? Which axis? X axis. And what you have to name B as? C dash, dash, and E dash. Yes, no different names. Same B dash, C dash, X axis. Now look here, X axis. Where is B, students? How many points? A is not required. Only B, right? Okay, B, C, D, E. If the mirror is on, let me take B. A, B, this is C, D, and E. Right. All of you will respond. B. Where do you plot B, students? X-axis is the mirror. So where should I plot B? Can you see this dot, red dot, opposite line? Is it clear? All of you understood? B, C, D, E. C. Where should I plot C? If X is the mirror, it's on 4. positive 4 it becomes, it goes to negative. Very good. What about D? Just half a line. Where should I plot D, student? 4 comma minus 1. Can you see D? Red dot? D dash. Right? C dash. B dash. Next. Tell me the next one, students. Then E dash. Okay. 7 comma. It goes down. If axis is the mirror, if the mirror is in x axis, 7 comma minus 3. Is it correct? E dash. Is it right? Response is correct. Okay. Next. Let us join the figure. What is given, students? You'll get 2 marks for this. 2 marks. Third one. What is given? Join points. Not all the points. What are the points have to connect? A, B, C, D, E dash and A dash. In order, students. First A, B, C, D, E. Let me connect A, B, C, D, E. Look here. A, B, C, D, E. Is it correct till here? A, B, C, D, E. All of you connected? Zero connect. Next. Along with that, you'll have to connect to whatever point is given. E. Next, what else? E dash and E dash, D dash and A. E dash. Next, what else? D dash and next one is yeah. There is a problem here. The problem with the diagram. It has to be A dash. I think A dash. How is it possible? What kind of figure you all got? Similar to this? 2020. Whatever we done is correct, but how can you name this figure? Name the closed figure form. What's the answer in textbook? Boat. Okay, I don't know how this becomes a boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is hectagon, hexagon, no, heptagon and boat. There is a problem with this question. Non-again, 9 sides, right? See, what they've done is they've left out a word here, student. Can you see A, B, C, D, E, E dash, D dash? They have missed out here. You have to connect B dash. What are the things left? C dash and B dash. Okay, let me connect C dash and B dash. These are the two words left, students. It's a non-again. Non is 9 side. Non-again has how many sides? It should have 9 sides. See, they have made a mistake here. D dash. After D dash, it is C dash, B dash. See, that's the reason they have told us to find the reflection, right? C dash and D dash. Yeah, that's the reason we have reflection. Do one thing. Erase this D to A, students. From D dash, connect C dash. But we are getting fish kind of image. Was it possible? D to 23rd is which one, Adya? Non-again. And what else name is given? That's it. Okay. Then our answer is correct. 9 students. They have missed out. See, it's kind of fish diagram like this. Can you all see? All of you? Yeah. Non-again. 9 stands for, I forgot to give non-again. 9. Non-again. Non-again or non-again? N-A-N or N-O-N? You have to be quick. Each question takes at least 5 minutes, students. 5 to 7 minutes. Try to do it neatly. Each question is for 5 marks. Reflection chapter. Definitely one question, you'll get one or two questions in section A and section B. You can't skip that. And you don't even have to skip. It's a very easy concept. All of you got the same figure? A dash, B dash, C dash. Here we are getting a kind of fish, or you can just write nanogen. Completed. Another two questions. All of you done? Shall we try the next one? Respond. Okay, 2023. See, 2023 we completed. Okay, in the textbook it was given. This is 2020. 2022 semester was not given by board. Just ignore that. If you want 2018, 14, we can try before the exam. We'll try 2024 question. 24. Look at 2024 students, 5 marks. 2023 is what we solved. 2 centimeter is equals to 1. Will you try this 2024 now? This question? 2024. Oh, yes, take 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Take the value of A, B, C first. A, B, and C. We'll solve 2024, 2025. We'll end the class. Take a fresh graph. Take down the value students. A 0, 3. I will copy A, B, and C value. A, B, C. 2 centimeter 1. See, even if this scale is not given, what are the values students? A, B, C. Does it cross more than 5? 6, 7, 8. Any numbers given? 6, 7, 8. And if 6, 7 is 8 is given, what do you take? 2 centimeter is equals to how many units? If 6, 7 is given, how do you take? You have to take 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. So think and do it, students. Think according to the question. It's not that you have to take this. Sometimes they won't give the value. Okay, A value is 0, 3, B is 2, 1, C is 4, comma minus 1. Start this. Reflect point B and C according to the axis, y axis, sometimes in origin. Write the coordinates. Reflect point A dash. Name its image as A dash. Plot and write the coordinates of point A. Join B dash. Give the geometrical figure a close. Okay. Complete. I'll give you all 6 minutes time. Complete it. I'll discuss later. The students done? All of you completed? Okay. What about Cherisha, Mariana, Adi are done? Naomi, where did you get those this question? Ratio proportion questions. What? From where did you get? Was it previous year? Was the answers correct after solving? Did you check? Check the copy paste. All right. Good, Naomi. So the answers were right. I asked whether it was from previous year or from other text. Fine. X O X, Y O Y dash. 2 centimeter is 1. Can you tell me A value, students? What is given A value? 0, comma 3. Just a minute. What is the scale? What was the scale given? Each box 1 centimeter? 1. Okay, 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, maximum you'll have only 5 students. If you're taking as 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll have 5. If it is 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, go with 2. Each centimeter, 2 values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yeah, tell me A value. What was A, students? A was? Am I audible? Okay. Yeah, 0, comma 3. Which axis? 0, comma 3. Y axis. Next one? Yes, next one. 2, comma 1. First quadrant, right? Next. 4, comma minus 1. Okay. Fourth quadrant. 4, comma minus 1. Is it here? Like this? Okay. Next, what is given? Okay. Reflect point B and C. Only B and C, students, not all three. Only B and C in Y axis. Now the mirror is Y. Look, let me draw the mirror. Mirror is this Y, yellow one. Just reflect B and C. What about B and C, students? Okay, what is B value? Actual B value is 2, comma 1. Respond. All of you will respond. Yeah, if it goes to the if the mirror is on Y axis, where will it reflect? It's in the first quadrant. Where it should reflect? Second. What is the value for second quadrant? One is negative, and the other one. Which one is positive? Which one is negative? Very good. Minus 2, comma 1. This is the answer. If you want, write it in the working column, then plot it. Minus 2, comma 1. Or just count the number of boxes. Next. And what you have to name it, students? You have to name it as B dash. Tell me the next one. C. Where does C lie? 4. Isn't it here? C dash, right? Plot and write the coordinates. Okay, you have to write the coordinate, right? Plot. For everything you write the coordinates, students. Better write for all the values. 2, comma minus 1. Here it becomes B dash minus 2, comma 1. C dash minus 4, comma 0. 4, comma 0. Next. Tell me what you have to write. Reflect the point and reflect A. Where do you reflect A, students? What do you mean by B, B dash line? Do I need to connect B, B dash line? Yes. Can you see B, B dash line? No, you don't have to connect, but B, B dash, right? See, for reference, yeah, for reference, I'll write the line for reference like this. You can do the calculation B, B dash line. I'll tell you the calculation for B, B dash. What you have to reflect? Which image, students? A? I'll show you the calculation. A, where is A? Point A value 0 comma 3. All of you will respond. Only then you all will understand which one I have to reflect. A, right? And where is the mirror? Is it x-axis, y-axis, or parallel to x-axis? Where is the mirror? Where is B and B dash? Parallel to x-axis, right? Where is it touching on the y-axis then? Where is it touching on the y-axis? Where is this line touching? Y is equals to 1. Remember I told you to take this as A. We'll do this calculation. For which one extra value is given? Y or x? Okay. A is what, student? A is what? 0 comma 3. What is 0? X value and y value, right? For y there is 3 and there is another value given for y. So y will have a formula. Keep x, this is the formula. X dash minus y plus, what's the formula I gave? 2 into A. What is value? What is x? 0. What is y? Minus 3 plus, what is 2 into 1? 2. 2 into 1 is 2. What's the answer you get? 0 comma 0 comma minus 1. Is this clear? Where does this point lie? 0 comma minus. This calculation is important. You can do this calculation or even without calculation, I'll tell you. Where is the mirror, students? Is it on x-axis or B and B dash line? Okay, where is point A? After B and B dash, where is point A? How many boxes? 2 boxes. So here, how many boxes? 1 box. This is 2 boxes. Where is the point? Can you see here? A dash. Even in the answer, we got the same even after using formula 0 comma 1. Is it same or different? Same? Yes. So what have they asked, dear students? Did they ask us to calculate? Did they ask us calculation? Third one. No. Even including the calculation, I've showed you. Take down the calculation. First, write the calculation. This is known as parallel. It is reflecting in parallel. All of you understood this parallel line? Look, the green one is the parallel, students. It is not on x-axis. It's on the parallel line. Parallel to x-axis. So all of you all can solve this, but calculation is important. 2024, this was a good question. Mark it directly. Try to mark it directly and write the calculation separately, students. Don't write it on the graph. It is not supposed to be on the graph. See, the yellow ones. Take the yellow ones separately and name it as A dash. A dash is equals to, write the formula. All of you are done? I will made a note of this calculation. This is the formula, students. Formula. So just because the line was parallel to x-axis, this. If it was parallel to y-axis, you would have got the formula like this: minus x plus 2a, and that extra value for x, you have to take it as a. B dash is the answer. Fine. Next part, last part. What else is given? Plot and write coordinates of a point. Have we plotted a point? A dash. What is a dash value we got, students? Response 0 comma minus 1. Then join all the points. What are the points they've asked us to join? Join them. Yes. Order. Yes. Whatever they were, join it in A. Then we have B. Then we have A dash. Then we have B dash. And B dash. B dash to. Okay. It's supposed to be up to connect it back, students. A, B, A dash, B dash, back to A dash. What image is this? Is give the geometrical name of the closed figure. This is open figure. Close it. It's a mistake. Is it a square or a rectangle? How does it look like? Square. And close the figure and give the geometrical name. Closed figure. All of you understood? Reflection chapter. Any doubts in reflection? Yesterday, if you have answered, yesterday itself we should have done this, students. Today, I could have taught you all midpoint theorem. This evening class. Yesterday, 1 hour we wasted. The problem is you're not answering. If you're silent, I'll just end the class. If you have answered today morning itself, we could have done reflection, would have done got over. This class I'd have taught you all midpoint. I'd have made you all revise section midpoint. Even proportion also would have got over. All of you will name it. Done? Completed? Okay. They didn't ask us to find area or perimeter, students. I'll just teach one concept. Another 5 minutes, we'll end the class. Now, what is the distance between A and B? What is A value? Can you tell me A value? No, no, 0, 3. What is B? 2, 1. It looks like a square. What about square, students? All four sides are equal or different? Equal. Now, how do you find the distance between A and B? You can't use scale. You can't use scale. They didn't ask in centimeters. How do you find the distance between A and B? What formula do you use? Square root of, correct, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y2 minus, okay, you can take y1 or y2, anything, both are same. See, take this as x1 y1, take b as x2 y2. Complete this. Tell me the distance. Once you find the distance, find area and perimeter. What is 0 minus 2 the whole square, students? Minus 2 is 4 plus 8. How do you factorize 8? What highest? Yes, Mariana, any new concept? What is that highest? Prime factor. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are. These two as a pair, right? 2 into 2 into 2. Very good. 2 root 2 is the answer. If this is 2 root 2, what is perimeter of a perimeter formula, students? What is perimeter? 4 into side. So 4 into 2 root 2. What's the answer? 8 root 2. It's a centimeter graph. Everything should be in centimeter. See, this is the highlight part of graph. We have a 2 centimeter graph. Even the answer will be in centimeters. 2 root 2. If anyone has scale, can you measure? If you have a scale, can you measure A and B, student? Isn't it more than 2 centimeter? What is it given, Naomi? Is it between 2 and 3? Okay, what is 2 into root 2? What is root 2 value, students? 1.732, right? 1.41414 or 732? Root 3. So what do you get here? 2 into 1.414. What's the answer? 2.82. In scale, are you getting 2.8, Naomi? Less than 3? Yeah, you should get less than 3, 2.8, or this is the answer. Next. What is area formula? Area is side square. How do you find side square? 2 root 2 the whole square. What is 2 root 2 the whole square? No, no. 4 into, correct, 4 into 2. The answer is 8 centimeters. So even using graph, you can find out. If you know all this calculation, it is used in engineering. Yeah. Science or engineering, interesting topic, graph question. Okay, that's it. Reflection we have done. One day before the exam, we'll solve 1 or 2 questions, students. 2025 paper I'll send. This paper I'll send. Will you all try 2023 later? Yeah, just try 2023. I'll send the same paper in the group. 2023. All of you understood this? Mariana, Charisha, Vanya, Naomi. Okay. I'll send this and even 2025. Where is 2025? Look, even in this, they are given easy question. 2025, 24. It is not that difficult. Section A. Can you see that section A? How many marks is this for, students? How many marks? 5 marks. ABCD is what? What kind of diagram they have given? Mentioned. Respond. It's okay. I'll complete. I'll take another 5 minutes. I'll just complete this because this is different. They have given us a diagram. And 1 minute. Section A, they should give a value. Section B, quadratic is given. B is given C. Okay. It's just the opposite one, students. Equation. Find the equation of the diagonal. Okay. This is equation of a straight line. Along with graph, they have asked us to find equation. Slope. Intersect. Okay. This is a different one. Coordinate. Tell me the coordinates of ABC, students. What is coordinate A? 3 comma. Tell me the coordinates. 3 comma 3. What is coordinate of B? Very good. Very good. 0 comma minus 2. C? No, no. C. Minus 1, minus 2. D? Minus 1 comma 3. These are the coordinates. Calculate the coordinate of P, the intersection. Okay, look at these keywords: intersection, slope, equation. Intersection, slope, equation. It's a simple concept. New chapter, students. I'll tell you all. If possible, we'll start next week. 3 concepts, 3 formulas. You'll have just 3 or 4 formulas. This is the next chapter. Okay, let us see if you have any reflection topic. Again, one more. So what they've done is they've just used reflection. Can you see this? Sixth main, first one, how many marks? Along with trigonometry, all of you respond. 5 marks. 5 marks question. I told you alright, they'll definitely give one question for 5 marks. It can be in section A or B. Fine, I'll send this paper, all of you will do it. 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Plot A, B, C. Okay, I think we did this question, right? I think we completed. No, we didn't do it, students. Name their image, END. Will you try this 2025 papers question? All of you will remember 6th main first one. I'll send this question paper, 6th main first one. Heights and distance I covered. Okay, now you all tell me, students. Look here, I'll show the portions. Over. This one is done. Reflection. Just practice 2 or 3 questions. See, from reverse, all this including revision, it's completed, right? Probability, respond, probability, this, everything is done. Okay, so what I'll do here, which one is done, students? Reflection, right? Equation of a straight line, section and midpoint. These two are left. Equation of a straight line, section and midpoint. Okay, here the important concept are tangent, construction. Apart from this, here everything is done. Just ignore this word quadratic equation. Just ignore the chapter. Ratio, you all revise that, students. Apart from ratio, all the other things I've completed. So GST, I'll make it not like important, Mariana. Everything is important, but the paper is only for 80 marks. Okay. Question paper they set only for 80 marks. I told you all right. In section B, there is option. Out of 8 means you have to choose any 4. Okay, now that just 10 minutes, students. Stay online, 5 or 10 minutes. Tomorrow, no class. I'll just explain this. GST is left. Revision. GST is left. Then section and midpoint revision. GST, section and midpoint. So I need for GST 1 class, midpoint theorem 1 class. GST 1, midpoint theorem 1, and your angle and cyclic property. Total 3 classes. Then we'll do construction. When is your exam? Model paper? Or this one? Model exam? Is it on 11? Jan 12? Okay. So Saturday also you'll have a test? Exam? Fine. So Saturday and Sunday, those 2 days, only test paper students. Anyway, we have done everything, you revise similarity and other things. Now these 4 things. Apart from this, the new chapter, once your exam gets over, I'll do the 21st chapter. When does your exam get over? 16th. Sunday, 1 day holiday, then we'll start from 18th. How many days are left? 18 to 21, 31, 2 weeks, right? Yeah, 2 weeks left. When is your final exam start? Feb second week? Feb 17th. Forget about Feb. Jan, there are 2 weeks, students. In those 2 weeks, I'll do 21st chapter, volume. Okay, volume, then angle and cyclic property, 18. Loci is not that important. Just 1 day is enough. We can complete even that. Then what else is left? Geometric progression, right? GP and equation of a straight line, 11 and 14. 11. Okay, GST midpoint. 1 minute. Yeah. Just a minute, students. Stay online. Okay, after the test, all of you are online. Response students. See these four, and within 1 week, 1 week or 10 days, I'll complete. Before Jan, portions will be done, including revision. It will be done Jan first to Feb. By Jan, it will get over. Feb first 2 weeks, I'll make you all solve test papers, 5 or 10 question papers. So now these things are left for revision: GST, midpoint, angle and cyclic property, construction. So you all tell me, students, when is it possible to attend on Monday at least 40 minutes every day? 40 or 45 minutes? So when is it? Thursday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not possible. Tell me, if it is not possible, then we can start on Friday. When is your Hindi test? Thursday. Friday, what do you all have? Okay, so can you attend Thursday evening for 1 hour or Saturday? Respond, students, respond. Saturday. Tell me, Tuesday, do you all have grammar? So when can you all attend? That's what. See, I don't know your timetable. I don't have the pick. Just go through, check your timetable. If I just get 3 class enough, I'll try to complete 45 minutes or 50 minutes class. Okay, then Wednesday for grammar and history, can you all attend? Respond, Adya, Teresa. Okay, I got the timetable. Look here, students. Monday you'll have chemistry, so no class tomorrow. Study for chemistry. Tuesday is language, so Monday can you all attend? Monday 6 to 7, 6:50 I'll conduct. Okay, Tuesday, Monday you all can attend. Tuesday you have grammar. Wednesday, what about history? Can you all attend Monday and Tuesday, students? Don't need on Wednesday because Thursday you'll have a tough subject. Don't need on Wednesday. What about Thursday? For geography, before geography, is it possible? No? Okay, fine. So only 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Saturday you'll have computer science. So Saturday after computer science, shall we start? Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. You just tell others. Naomi, you inform Tanishka. Okay, and Cherisha, just tell Joanna. Cherisha or someone. Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, students. 3 days is enough. I'll try to complete at least these three topics on Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. Sunday, if possible, construction, and we'll solve 2 question papers on next Sunday. Is it clear? Okay. So Monday, what time? 6 o'clock. Shall I start at 6 to 6:45? Respond. Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, 6 to 6 o'clock. Log in at 6 o'clock on Monday, students. Just 45 minutes. Formulas and important concept. Only 5 or 6 questions I'll solve. Okay. So that's it. No class tomorrow, and your model exam is going to start from Monday. Do well. All the best. Okay. All of you will study well. Yes. Do well. All the best, students. Attend on Monday at 6 o'clock. You all can leave. All of you all can leave. Bye, all of you all. You all can leave, students. Yes, Mariana. Thank you, Mariana. Wishing so late.